All right, guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. So today we're going to be using Kumoo to do outdoor retouching. So I've noticed for some time now, I've actually not showing you how to use your Kumoo and retouch the images you shot outside. Kumoo also can retouch images you shot outside, not just the ones you shot in your studio. So this is an image from Daisy's studio. I think the original owner of the image is Christine or something like that. Yeah, Christine, I think the name is up there. So we're going to be working on the image right here in Kumoo. I want to show you something. So if you open up your preset, you're going to notice that Kumoo actually have a whole lot of presets that you can actually choose from, and you might find the one that suits your image. So let's try clicking on this one. Let's see what it does to our image. Okay, so I think the color grading is not bad, but I don't like it. It's not resonating with my style. So I'm going to try one or two other ones. If they are not cool, we'll go do our same manual. Oh, good. I think I love this. The before, the after. I love the colors and the greens, the skin tone and all of that. We can work with this, but I need a little contrast. So I'll add some contrast to the image. Maybe push up my highlights a little, and we'll go straight to skin retouching. So if you look at this image, you're going to notice she actually have been retouched slightly by the presets, but we still need to push it up a little. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to the skin retouching area. Right, open up my skin. I want the neutral leveling to be very strong so that we'll get that micro dodge and burn effect very, very strong on the image. Very good. Then I want her lip lines to reduce a little. It's too much, so we'll come to lip line. Over here, lip lines, just push it up a little to give us that very glossy lips. Okay. Then we'll come to the neutral gray contour, add just a little more. We don't want it very aggressive. Then a little push in our frequency separation. Then a little reduction in our skin refinement. So we can actually add a little bit in our high frequency, but I also need my low frequency to be at work here so that we'll get, a similarly smooth skin. Very, very good. So we'll come over to the body. We just increase this all the way to the highest number. Okay, and that is it. Okay, I think this is too much because the palm is no longer looking realistic, so we need to drop this a little bit. Nice one. So let's go straight to the color grading of her skin. So I want her to have a uniform skin tone that is slightly warm. So I'm going to go for natural. Let's see what natural gives. Very good. Then I'm going to warm it up a little. I think this is too much. Let's even push to rosy skin tone. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to push up to this side, and I'll come here and add that rosy skin tone a little. So make sure your skin tone balance for multiple is turned on, and also for body. So to give you a very uniform skin tone. Now let's enhance her makeup details. So we'll go down to the makeup area, enhance eyebrow, enhance eye makeup. I'll push up the shadows a little. Do the same thing for my highlights, just a little. Enhance lip makeup, and also enhance our blush just a little. I think we need more of the blushing. Okay, and we are good to go. Let me show you. This is the before, this is the after. So in case you have stray hairs like we have now, you can go to the hair area, turn on your stray hair removal. Can even soften out the hair a little, just to give you a very soft looking hair, and you are good to go. In case you need to change the color of the hair, you have different colors. So I think the color of this her hair falls into this category. We'll need to bring it down, of course, or rather this one, I'll bring it down very well, just to give that extra saturation. The before the after. If you feel the body needs a little adjustment, you can go down to the body, select your model, and reduce the effects. Just give her that model look. So this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. So I think I'm going to turn off that in the body gauge. I don't like it. Yeah, the before, the after, the before, the after. And that is how you can use Kumoo to actually retouch your outdoor image. So one more time, let's quickly, go through this one. I actually saw this picture and I fell in love with it. So let's quickly retouch it. Then I did something with the color grade. Let me show you. So towards my filter, go to color transfer. If I select none, this is the original color of the image, right? So I needed a cinematic look and color grading. So all I did was I brought in a picture that had it and I just say transfer the color grading, and immediately transfer the color grading onto my own image. Now I have a very cinematic looking color grading. So the next thing I need to do is just to do her skin retouching. So I'll go in, turn on the acne, turn on the one for the body, turn on the mole, remove body blemishes, leave every other thing the same way. Go to the skin frequency separation. Yes, of course. Raise my high frequency a little. Then add some neutral gray contour and a little bit of skin refinement effect. Have the before, we have the after. Then come to the frequency separation for body, increase it. So what I'm going to do now is to get a uniform skin tone across our body. So I'll come here, raise the multiple, and same thing for the body. So we'll have a very uniform skin tone now. Our hand is no longer having a separate color from our face. We now have colors that look very much alike. So the next thing I want to do is just to make a little adjustment to our body. Come to the body slider over here and select my model. Just maybe push it up a little bit. Nice. So this is the before, this is the after. The before, the after, and we are basically done. I love the results. So all I need to do is to crop. Let me use my 4x5 and crop it in like this. Press enter, and the job is done. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And in case you are wondering how you can access Kumoo and be able to use it in your day-to-day workflow, all you need to do is to go to the description of this video and you will see our Telegram link there. Click on it, join our community, and you'll be getting access to every single update we'll have. And also right there, you'll be seeing the link through which you can download Kumoo. And after download, if you use our promo code to purchase your credit, you'll be getting 30% off from all your purchases. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time it gets started. To get notified every single time we drop a new video, see you on the next one.